where I usually do my lives. We got this nice little phone tripod. I can also screw this off and hook my camera up to it, but it makes it super easy for taking videos. So if I were to place my camera right there, that is what it would look like. So now this is the ring light I use for my lives to film with. And then I actually had my brother make me this countertop tripod because the ones that were online were a little too tall and I wanted it a little bit shorter. So I had my brother weld this up for me and he painted it. And then I just attached this back piece on here where I hook my phone into. So it's easy to pop your phone in and out of there. And if you want to put this on the actual taller stand, you just unscrew it off of here and it clips on to the taller stand. So here's actually the mirror I use to look into when I'm doing my live videos, just because the other one's a little bit far away. You can turn it on, you can play Bluetooth through here. It's got a couple different functions. You can dim the light, turn it up, skip songs. You can even answer calls with this, which is really cool. And it is portable, but once the battery dies, you just plug it in, which I actually have the cord right there. And then it charges it. And as you can see, there's a little speaker right underneath here. It actually has really good bass. It also has a 10x zoom on the other side if you need to get really close. Ooh. So now this big mirror is actually a bathroom mirror. I got this from House, and I'll be sure to link all of the stuff that I have in here in the description below. If you're gonna be doing lives and stuff, I wouldn't recommend using this as your only light source. Usually when I do my lives, I mostly just use my ring light and I don't really turn this one on. Unless I want to get fancy or I'm changing and trying on clothes, then I like to turn this one on for a brighter light. But this mirror was quite expensive, so if you're on a budget, just get the ring light or get the little iHome ring light. And then I have these really cool, I don't even know what you would call these, dangly lights. I thought it'd be pretty to hang these behind the vanity. Just got some of those sticky hooks from Walmart to hold up the lights. So now this isn't an actual vanity. The drawers right here, these are they're called Alex drawers from IKEA, and I'll link those below. And then the top is a tabletop. This is also from IKEA, which I'll link the one I have below as well. And then I just got a piece of glass cut for the top, just so it'd be super easy to clean. And the chair is just a swivel chair. It can also go up and down, but I got this chair from TJ Maxx as well. Then over here, I just got this cute little clear plastic tray from TJ Maxx. And I decided to display my perfumes up here, and then I got this nice bamboo plant. This one is a real plant. I got this one from Menards. Over here, I have lots of fake plants, so all of these plants are fake. Also got this from TJ Maxx, which #boss, yes. And then my mom actually got me this lamp for my birthday, and it works perfect to hang your sunglasses on, so that's mostly what I use the lamp for. I got this cute little diamond clock. I got this one from TJ Maxx as well. And then I got this cute little mirror glass jewelry box where I keep all my jewelry, well, my extra jewelry, just mainly the stuff I mostly wear, I put in this one. And then this is just my little hamper. It also kind of stops the door from hitting the wall. But that I also got from TJ Maxx. This is my mirror. I actually got this from someone off of Facebook for like, I think I paid like 40 or 60 bucks. But I love how big it is because you can literally see everything. I'm sure somebody's gonna ask me where I got this tree because it is quite popular in my live videos. This tree is actually from Target. I bought it around Christmas time and I ended up buying 3 of them because I love the way it looks. I kind of use this as a night light instead of leaving all my other lights on, and it's nice to be able to kind of see and have a pretty tree to look at nighttime. So this organizer slash dresser is where I keep all my clothes, at least most of them. Not all of them fit in there, but I can keep quite a bit in there. And the nice thing about this is it looks super clean, and when these start to look ratty, you can just throw them out and get new ones, and they just slide in and out like that, and it makes it super easy and it looks clean. It's from Walmart. You can also get it from Target. So this is actually a shoe rack, and I use this to hold all of my wigs. Super easy just to hook those on. Saves a lot of room, and it kind of looks cool seeing all the different colored wigs hanging up there. And then behind there is just a small little closet. Got a Kate Spade purse right here, I'm kind of using it as a decoration. Then I got some more fake plants up here. I got my award up here, my award picture, and then this really cool crystal rock that I also got from TJ Maxx. Stool is from TJ Maxx, and then all of these rugs, which you're probably wondering why I have so many different colored rugs. These rugs were supposed to match, but then when I brought this one home, I realized it was a lot lighter than that one. So instead of bringing it back, I'm like, oh, I'm gonna have a carpet, or I'm gonna have a rug. I'm gonna have all different colored rugs, I guess. I don't know. Alright, so I'm sure you guys want to see how I organize my drawers. So at the top left, this is where I keep all of my eyeshadows. So I have some eyeshadow palettes here. I have some cream eyeshadows here, brow palette, and some more cream eyeshadows. As you can see, this thing is full to the brim. Alright, so then in my second drawer, this is where I keep all my powders, including powder foundation, setting powder, bronzer, blush. Basically anything that's powder goes in this drawer. Now in my third drawer, this one's a little bit deeper, I keep all of my lipsticks in here. Now I was gonna make little slots for each individual lipstick, but I have so many lipsticks that I would need 2 drawers for this, so I decided just to kind of let them all lay in here for now until I get some bigger drawers. And then this one down here, I just keep my cleaning supplies, some extra products, just basically my extra drawer. Nothing really fancy in this drawer. And then the bottom drawer I don't really use on either side just because I have this rug here. And you always have to pull back the rug to actually open the drawer, so I just don't worry about the bottom drawers. So over here on the top right, this is where I keep all of my brushes. I also have my little eyelash stash right here. And then my eyelash curler, trimmers, tweezers, just a little bit, couple tools in there. Now I'm sure some of you are gonna ask where I got these little dividers. I actually made them. This is just cheap foam board from the Dollar Tree. I think I paid $1 per sheet. And I just cut it up, measured it, and then got some hot glue and glued the pieces together. So that's why all these drawers are a little bit different, because I kind of made the compartments how I wanted the drawers to divide out. In my second drawer, this is where I keep all the eyeliner, mascara, and then of course more lashes. I'm a little bit obsessed with eyelashes, so gotta have lots of room for eyelashes, but I just divided this one in half just because I have a lot of eye product stuff and I have a lot of lash stuff. And then the third drawer down, this is where I keep some of my skincare. We got some contour trios there, some hair ties, and then this is where I keep all my foundation, concealer, BB cream, all that good stuff. Basically all the liquid stuff. And then for this drawer, this is where I keep all of my glitter, all my little rhinestones and stuff for my Monday Madness looks. Also keep my little stash of hands down here. Now as you can see, this side actually has an extra drawer set on here, and I might put one on the other side, but for now we're just sticking with 3. So this is where I keep all of my contacts, my phone that I record with, and then the second drawer I keep all my jewelry in, bracelets, watches, all that fun stuff. And then the next one is hair care products, you know, stocking up on that Lange. Got my hair tools here, and then I got all my hair care right here. And then if you go to the next one, more hair stuff, and this is all of my tools, including the hair gloves and stuff like that. So that works out really nice. And then the last one just has random stuff in it for storage. But those are all my drawers and how I organize them. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. If you have any tips or any ideas for my makeup room, leave a comment below. This mirror is so big. How big this mirror is.